What's going on, YouTube? It's Garrett Henderson. I'm here in Cuenca, and I wanted to share with you how an elevator gets installed here and the differences between what you could expect in the US and what you can expect in Ecuador. Well, either way, my experience with elevators, or ascensors in Spanish, is whisper quiet. Some of the best quality elevator as far as movement, sound. I mean, if you're not looking at the door, you're going to miss it. It'll open and close. And they're often made by Hyundai and Mitsubishi. And let me show you the ones we're putting in here. Give me a second. So here we have a KONE elevator. KONE. Sorry for my filming. And this is actually one floor above the lowest floor. And we can see here that they have, now, I'm not advocating you to film installations of elevators, but I'm in a very safe spot. There's no pinch point. My hand is not reaching into. I just want to share with you what's going on here and how they're installing this. Right, so this looks like the top of the car. Right, the car is all the way at the bottom. You can see how they're mounting that rail. Now, I believe this is going to be considered a traction elevator. And this is the most critical point, putting these in straight. Now, if you look at some of the cabling here, you can see the cable. And again, guys, I'm not entering the elevator space, okay? I have permission to do this. And do not do what I'm doing here, because if you're not experienced blue collar, don't put your hands around an elevator. Pinch point. Now, let's take a look at some of the conductor. So this looks like 18 gauge. Almost looks like thermostat wire. And then it's kind of joined here. This is probably a connection here. And this is going back up probably to over here. Maybe, I'm not sure. I don't know how the call button would work, but let's go to another floor and take a look. All right. So we have let's take a look at the materials. So here's the counterweight. You can see the ropes. You know, it's actually nice to see, you know, this elevator is probably 8 stops, 8 floors, maybe 9. I'm so used to Miami looking at those ropes. These look like something I could just pick up myself. But that's how it comes. This is how it comes shipped. Let's see where it comes from when you buy from Ecuador. It's got to be coming from China, no? I wonder where it comes from. Germany? Mexico? And that's how the elevator comes in boxes. Anyway, guys, it's Garrett. We'll see you on the next one.